What's up guys, this video from Airdrop Hub. So in this video, I am going to review the Infrared testnet. Infrared is focused on building infrastructure around the proof of liquidity mechanism pioneered by Bearer Chain. Infrared is dedicated to enhancing the user experience and driving the growth of the Bearer Chain ecosystem. And the Infrared has raised a $2.5 million funding. The Infrared testnet is part of the Bearer Chain network. Therefore, those who have been doing the Bearer Chain testnet can easily do this one. If you're already participating in the Bearer Chain testnet, use the same wallet for Infrared. If you are a new user, connect a new wallet. First, go to the faucet. Switch to the Bearer Chain network. Then request the Bearer test tokens. Alright, now go to the swap. Then, swap Bearer to Honey or WBTC. So I selected the Honey because I already have added liquidity to the Bearer Honey pair. You can use any of these liquidity pools, but since I've already added liquidity to the Bearer Honey pool, so I'll be using that one. Okay, click on the pool. Click on Add. Alright, now you can add liquidity like this. Now click Deposit. You will get a certain amount of tokens as rewards from the pool you added liquidity, and these are called LP tokens. So I have 12 LP tokens from the Bearer Honey pool. Don't deposit here guys. From this place, we can check how many LP tokens we have. Alright, now go to this infrared.finance website. Connect the same wallet. You can check your BGT value from this place, but it won't be useful for us in this case. Scroll down the website and select the pool you have added the liquidity. I used the Honey Bearer pool. You can also see your total amount of LP tokens from this place. Stake a percentage or full amount from your total LP balance. Alright, I staked 6 LP tokens. Now go to claim. You will receive IBGT as rewards for your stake. Since I just staked, the IBGT rewards are currently very low. Check again after a few hours, as this amount won't be sufficient for the next step. If you want to get IBGT tokens quickly, you need to stake more LP tokens. So I will stake my full amount. Alright, this IBGT amount is enough guys. Let's claim it. Click IBGT on the upper side. Now stake your IBGT amount. Alright, go to Unstake and take a screenshot of this. We need the screenshot to send to the Infrared Discord as proof. Okay, well. Now, go to Validators. Now you will be redirected to the Bearer Chain website. Click Delegate. Delegate some BGT tokens on Infrared Validator. In the pool where you added liquidity, you will receive BGT tokens as rewards. You can claim BGT from your liquidity pair. You need to wait until all the blocks are filled in this delegation transaction. This will take some hours, guys. So after completing this, confirm your delegation. Then, go to Validators. Click My Validators. Alright, these are my BGT delegated validators. You need to wait until this delegation transaction is filled. I added 2 BGT to the infrared validator, but since the transaction is still pending, the BGT amount is shown in the queue. After the delegation transaction is confirmed, the BGT amount will be displayed in the User Staked tab like these other validators. After that, also take a screenshot of this as proof. After that, join Infrared Discord channel. Then go to the Proof of Testnet channel. I told you to get 2 screenshots. The first one is of the IBGT staked, and the second one is of the BGT staked on the infrared validator. After that, send your screenshots with your wallet address. Many people have only sent a screenshot of BGT staked in the infrared validator. But remember to also send a screenshot of the IBGT you staked one. Oh look, this delegation transaction has still filled only a few blocks so far. Make sure to send your correct wallet address. Okay, well, this is really easy, guys, not hard. If you didn't understand what I said, please refer to this post. If you have any questions about this, drop it in the comments section of this video, or you can get help from our Telegram group. Make sure to complete this testnet, especially if you are a Beara chain user. Okay guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel to know more about airdrops and testnets like this. So, goodbye guys, see you in the next video.